No, the mango one with this one, the pearl. Yeah, and where's the other drinks? The lemonade. Two. You want one? Yeah. Three lemons. Oh, that's where you were? Is that new? Is that new? Oh. I need a sound bite. Sound bites make a lot. As it goes for information in the mall, these touchscreens are key. The mall is so huge, you might get lost. Now, I'm gonna tap in a couple of things here and act like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. I'm just play it up for the camera. You know, shock value. Well, this is that part of the video where I have to ask you guys to hit the like button, subscribe, share. Keep this flowing in the algorithm. It's a movie theater. Let it be known that is the very best lemonade in Thailand. If you don't get it, you're missing out. Well, off to my next destination in the big mall. Day 3, don't forget, let's come here. Day 3. I wonder where we're going to next. Thailand.